Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. What do you do? Jobs. Video 17 from the series. So be sure to see all the videos in this series. Okay, great. Let's start. Places. Ask and answer. Where do you work? I work in a school. Where do you work? I work in a bakery. Where do you work? I work in a theater. Where do you work? I work in a garage. Where do you work? I work in a police station. Where do you work? I work in an animal hospital. Where do you work? I work in a clinic. Where do you work? I work in a fire station. Where do you work? I work in a boutique. Where do you work? I work in a shop. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a baker. What do you do? I am an actor. What do you do? I am a mechanic. What do you do? I am a police officer. What do you do? I am a veterinarian. What do you do? I am a doctor. What do you do? I am a firefighter. What do you do? I am a tailor. What do you do? I am a cashier. Conversation. Where do you work? I work in a school. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you work? I work in a bakery. What do you do? I am a baker. Where do you work? I work in a theater. What do you do? I am an actor. Where do you work? I work in a garage. What do you do? I am a mechanic. Where do you work? I work in a police station. What do you do? I am a police officer. Where do you work? I work in an animal hospital. What do you do? I am a veterinarian. Where do you work? I work in a clinic. What do you do? I am a doctor. Where do you work? I work in a fire station. What do you do? I am a firefighter. Where do you work? I work in a boutique. What do you do? I am a tailor. Where do you work? I work in a shop. What do you do? I am a cashier. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.